Hello and welcome to today's video on attesting your Australian documents for use in the UAE. Whether you're an Aussie expat moving to the Emirates for work, or a parent looking to get your child's school certificates attested, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about the process. Attestation is essentially getting official validation on a document from the government so it can be used legally in another country. Think of it like your document's passport. It might seem simple at first, but there are actually a lot of specific requirements and steps involved. I'll explain exactly what attestation entails in Australia, the process with the UAE Embassy, and what comes after getting those stamps from Canberra. First, let's quickly go over the steps for getting Australian certificate attestation done properly. Getting your document verified if needed by an authorised body. Notarization by an Australian notary public. Certification by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. Attestation by the UAE Embassy in Canberra. Final stamp from the UAE's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And sometimes translation into Arabic. The specifics for each document type can also vary. For example, educational certificates often require verification by an academic institution first. And your employer may handle the UAE processes for you. So it's key to know exactly what's needed for your particular certificate. This avoids delays or rejections. The good news is vital certificates can take care of everything for you. No need to worry about finding notaries or coordinating between countries. I hope this video gave you a helpful overview of Australian certificate attestation. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions.